So in continuation of the training, very briefly, still on the low hanging fruit strategy for Amazon KDP, I'm going to be dwelling a little bit more, and I think this should be the third time I'll be talking on maps for your travel guides. And I'm going to show you some new tricks, some new tips on how to get maps that wouldn't give you any issues whatsoever, and how you should be putting them, downloading them, and putting them into your travel guides to make them really hot and make it more sellable, and get better reviews, more reviews, and stay clear of all those negative reviews that often crop up. So let's get started. So we are going to start first with Google, and you just go to maps.google.com. That's Big Brother Google. Let's pray that the network is not that bad. No. Okay, we are there. I'm going to close up this one. Now let's say you are writing a guide on travel guide to Lisbon. Lisbon is in Portugal. So what you do is that you just type in you type in Lisbon. Before you even finish, you see it's already here, Lisbon, Portugal. You can just type it in or just click on it. So the map is going to pop up here right now. This is the map for Lisbon, Portugal. You see it here is very clear. Now I want to do something for each browser. They are going to still give you the same thing, but the interface, they look appear a little bit different. To show you what I mean, let me just copy this link, then I'll go to Brave browser and drop it in there. Now why I want to do this is that many of you will say you didn't get it properly, you didn't get some things well. So let me just paste it in here and let's see how it looks on Brave browser. Let me close this. So that's how this particular map looks on Brave browser. It's going to look different on Brave, look different on they are still the same thing. Okay, this is it on Brave browser, still opening up, and this is it on what? Chrome, and this what? On Brave. So while that is opening up, let me continue with the training. So this is the map. Now what you do, this is it here. You see this is Lisbon, and just see it is highlighted. It's highlighted. Understand? It's highlighted. That's Lisbon for you. So what you do, you use your sniping tool. Your sniping tool comes with your what? It comes with your any other sniping tool or screenshotting tool that you use. You click on it, new. So make sure you do not include what if you are logged into your Chrome. You do not include this. So we are going to snipe it from here. So we just snipe it like this. Make sure that the Google here is included. Don't take it to the down. I'm going to be showing Nigeria in some cases. So you just snipe it like this. Google included. You see? Then you just right click. If you are trying to see the cursor, it's not going to show. Just right click to copy, and you copy it, and that is it. You just go and paste in your document, or you download it like this. You download it and now go and save as maybe a JPEG or PNG as the case may be. Now for this particular one, you title it Map of Lisbon, Portugal. Do you understand? Map of Lisbon, Portugal. Now you have gotten the map. Well, how do you now get the link of this particular map? You come here where you have share, you click on it. As you click on it, you see this not embed map, share a link. You just copy the link. It has been copied. Then you now go and paste it under that particular image that you have already gotten. I hope you understand what I mean. So you have gotten that. That's your first one. Now the second one you should do is attractions in Lisbon, what you call things to do in Lisbon. So you now click on it, things to do in Lisbon. We are still on Lisbon, but the things to do. Now you see the map. Let's go back to the Brave. Let's go back to the Brave browser. You see, this is the Brave browser. It looks a little bit different from the Chrome initially. If you noticed, it looks a little bit different. And let's still click on things to do. You click on things to do, but the links are the same, just that the interface, the appearance just looks a little bit different. I just want you to know that you can use any browser, it doesn't matter. So these things to do in what? In Lisbon. You see the interface here. This is it. Things to do in Lisbon. Let's cross check it with Chrome. You see, it looks a little bit different, but they are still what? The same. It looks a little bit different, but they are still the same. So things to do in Lisbon, you see all the locations and things to do here. So what you do again, please do not close it. It's just I don't save all these things. I just screenshot it and copy and paste. So you click new and you see it here. You now again make sure you do not put your picture there. Make sure that Google is included so that Amazon will know that this is from Google. You take it down and make sure those hours there, they are not there, and you pick it, copy again, you copy again and go and paste and name it what? Map of things to do in what? Lisbon. So you have gotten the second one. Now how do you now get the link? Because you see this interface is different. Please observe, you come here where you have this hamburger stuff, you click on it and you come down, you see where you have share or embed map. You click on the share or embed map. Again, you copy the link and you paste it on that. Things to do what? In Lisbon, or attractions in Lisbon. Anyone is okay. Now you have gotten two maps. We are still on Google Maps. So you have gotten two maps. Now let's go back here. You can just back button so that you have all these, and then this. I'm still going to use the Chrome browser. Now click on go back, the back button, browser. Now here you have hotels. You can click up on it and it will give you the locations of all the hotels in Lisbon. You see it here, map of hotels in Lisbon. You again do what? You snipe it and you have what? The map of hotels in Lisbon. Again, you do it for vacation renters, you do it for the neighborhoods, just like that. You can get up to 5 to 10 maps just from what? Your Google Maps. Now you have done that and you are set to go. Now maybe you want to really make your guide look impressive, you really want it to shine. I'm going to show you a second website. This website will take you deep into the streets of that location. So you dive into the street so that the person buying your guide, they will be able to go through the neighborhood and navigate the streets in that particular location. So you use a particular website, openstreetmap.org, openstreetmap.org, and this is it here. Now again, we are going to search for what? Lisbon, so that to take us through the street of Lisbon, you click on it, search results, and this is it here. This is the map of the streets, the location, the streets within Lisbon. Now how do you copy this? You come here where you see this sign here, share. You click on the share, it will open up like this. Then as it open up, you now download it. You see image format, you can download it as PNG, you can download it as what? JPEG. So let's just use the PNG because it's transparent. This is the PNG format. Then you download it. You click on the download and it downloads. Now as it is downloading, this is the link. Do you understand? This is the link. You click on the link. Do you understand? You click on the link and just these are that it has downloaded already. This is the map you need. You just copy it and paste. You now have the streets and map of street addresses in Lisbon. Then you now copy this, you understand, you now copy this and paste under. So you now have everything you need, the maps you need for your travel guide to make it really shine. Now there are other websites I also use in future tutorials. I'm going to showcase this website to you, but even with just this, like the last time I showed you, like think about 4 or 5 other methods is already in the group, and the only thing is that I encrypted that video. You can always screen it, but this one I am going to just put it on YouTube and you have access to it. So thank you and God bless, and we are going to milk this travel guide niche together. I love you all.